This is what is waiting every morning for Dad when he shows up. 2 this morning, there was 4 yesterday, and they can't wait to get into that vehicle. Oh God, just love car rides. Yeah, it's all about getting in and having that 30-second ride to the shop door. Well, they're in there. Dad's gonna unlock the vehicle or unlock the gate. So, did you guys just love? Oh God, I just love this. Dad, or Uncle.
Nice and dry.
Good morning, Harley. Hey, oh look at that phone. Hey.
We were waiting for the noise of the
And there's Days. Morning, Days. Oh, just love when you guys come to the shop. There you go, eh? It's all about getting that ride. Yeah. Oh, Uncle, you're home. And what kind of treats do we get this morning? Do we get to eat? Yeah.
Okay, get in there. Get in there.
What a husky we got.
That's what sleigh dogs do. Get in, hey, get inside. That's it. Get in there.
Enough of this nonsense. We're hungry. What do you think, Dace? What do you think, Carl? What? What's happening here? Who's behind this door? And it's Charlie and Yogi. We got 4 dogs this morning. Okay, so that's Dad's dog. That's Daisy Peckerhead. And that's Harley. Might as well be our dog at this point, but that's Steve's dog. This is Charlie. He's a bit of a hammerhead, and he's the neighbor's dog. And that's Yogi. That's the other neighbor's dog.
Did anybody have breakfast yet? You didn't have breakfast? And Charlie didn't have breakfast?
Look how happy everybody is. What would you guys do all day if you didn't have a shop to go to? Hey, Charlie?
Oh, they'd have to play outside in the rain.
Yeah. Oh, we're all so happy we're friends. Hey? Hey, don't pick on Harley. Hey.
Doesn't get any better, does it, guys? That one's not yours. That's his. This is Yodi's. This is Stevie's. And this is Daisy. Daisy gets fed last. These are all her guests. Now, you gotta get the real grub. You tell them what's going on here. This is cooked meat.
Yeah.
And this is gravy. need that for their fur. Need a little bit of gravy, otherwise it doesn't taste right.
So this is the
Morning ritual.
morning ritual. Oh, we got a special guest. A blonde dog that I don't recognize.
Dog morning.
Okay.
Boy, it's good, eh? Blondie, how did you find your way over here so good?
And who are you?
This is next door.
Okay, so there's another neighbor's dog.
Need another dish.
Okay, where are we going to find that? So, back in the day, we used to have what we called doggy daycare. All the neighbors' dogs would wander down during the day and spend the day with us at the house or at the shop. And I think at one point we had 8 dogs and 5 cats here. And our kitty's gone missing about a week ago. So we don't know what happened, but
1, 2, 3, 4. We gotta find a dish for.
okay, I'll go see if I can find a dish. We found an extra dish here.
Okay.
Daisy, Daisy, wait your turn.
So just looking to see what's on the menu. We gotta get a little more gravy here. Okay. Coming, just wait.
Again, we own one of these dogs, that being Daisy. You guys are hilarious.
I found gravy. Oh, if we can keep all these, we have a team, eh?
Yeah. Hey, let's no getting mad.
Who's bossing?
Your dog is bossing the blonde dog.
My dog.
Yeah. And it just bossed Yogi here. Or Yoda or whatever his name is. This is the, everybody gets a little bit dog food and gravy and meat.
Okay.
So it's a real
Number 1 is
Charlie, otherwise he gets...
Charlie. Okay, get lost, you guys. Charlie, this is yours.
Yodi. Or... Okay, come here.
Okay, here, Charlie. Growler, come on. Come over here and growl.
Harley, everybody back off.
Get out of there. Come on. Hey.
Okay.
Come on, Charlie.
Just put it down, Dad, and they'll...
Yeah, but they'll dive in.
Here, let me do this. There you go. Everybody's happy now.
Yeah. You can picture all of them eating quietly.
Yeah. And over here, Harley. Oh, we're all happy now.
Not only happy, hungry.
Yeah. So there you...
In the winter like this, they need their grub.
So this is the morning ritual.
Yeah. 9 to 9:30.
Yeah. And meet you at the gate, then get fed. And extra dogs. You got to make sure you have extra for extra dogs. How are we doing on grub here? Might have to pick up an extra couple bags.
Couple bags, yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. My dad was just saying here that we got a whole sled dog team here now. Daisy's in the front. Everybody else is going to be pulling behind, I guess. Oh, my Lord. Good thing you like animals, right?
Yep, I love them all. Next thing you know, the deer are gonna need crab apples and oats.
Oh, right, yeah.
As long as these guys don't lay down long.